So I get 1 move per down and back I'm doing. And my puppy is joining. And when I say down and back, I mean down to this bench and back to the cube as fast as possible. All right, number 1. Are you ready, puppy? First move, I'm gonna go R2. Time lapse time. And that is first pair done. So far I'm feeling pretty good. I can see my next pair, or maybe 2. But yeah, so far not bad. I made a mistake. It was already U2. I meant to do R2, not U2. All right, that pair is set up. 1 more down and back and then I can insert it. All right. It is in. All right. I think I'm gonna go for these 2 next. Just 2 more and then I can insert that pair. My dog is done with me. Okay, last one. All right, that pair is inserted. Last one. All right, those 2 are right next to each other. Just need to insert it there. Looks like I'm gonna get a cross case on top, which I'm happy about. All right, just 2 more and then I can insert that one. And then I can go into LLL and PLL. All right, last one. Not last one, just last one. All right, it looks like I think that's an anti-soon. All right, okay. I got this. I don't think the camera picked up on it. I have a feeling like I did that wrong, but I'm not sure. I don't know. Actually, I think I got it right. Almost done with LLL. I'm praying I don't get a G-perm. Okay. Almost there. 2 more. The fall air feels really nice while doing this. All right, can I tell what case I got? Oh no. I think I got an N-perm. My dog just threw one of their toys. Is it down here? Oh my gosh, that idiot. We have to put this in so she doesn't do that. I guess we found a way over. I would like to point out I have not done a single move in that cut. Wait, no. Hold on, that's a J-perm. Okay, thank the heavens. I didn't see that piece right there. Back to it. How's coming off? Let's do it. And there we go. Done with F2L and OLL. Just have a J-perm left. I'm just gonna record this one normally. I thought this would take a lot longer than it has. Whoa. I'm just afraid I'm gonna mess up the PLL. Puppy. Okay. Almost there. I think it's L prime, L prime, and then U prime, and L. This goes to show how much you actually know your algorithms. L. If I mess this up, I'm gonna be so mad. So close. We're right there. We're almost there. L2. U. L. Oh. Into U2 to finish us off. I was not expecting how difficult that would be. Anyway, please subscribe and share the video and like. Thanks for watching. You know what? If you liked the video, I will do this, but again, but with a 4x4.